How many hours have you already wasted staring at a garden that feels more like a second full-time job than a relaxing hobby? You spent your hard-earned weekend digging up heavy clay, researching confusing soil charts, and buying expensive gadgets, only to end up with back pain, a massive water bill, and a few sad, yellowing tomato plants. It feels like everyone else has a secret green thumb, while you are left fighting a losing battle against weeds, pests, and exhaustion. If you are secretly feeling overwhelmed, tired, and ready to give up on your gardening dreams altogether, I have a confession to make. You are not failing at gardening. The traditional system is failing you. You have been led down a path of unnecessary complexity, and it is robbing you of both your time and your joy. Today, everything changes. In this video, you are going to discover the exact blueprint for a stress-free garden setup that absolutely anyone can copy, regardless of your age, your experience, or the size of your backyard. We are stripping away all the overwhelming rules, the back-breaking labor, and the high costs. I am going to show you how to build a physical setup that literally does 90% of the heavy lifting for you, from controlling weeds automatically to feeding your plants without a single drop of synthetic chemical fertilizer. By the time you finish watching, you will know exactly how to walk outside, spend just 10 minutes a week on basic maintenance, and spend the rest of your time enjoying a massive, abundant harvest. This is the ultimate guide to growing more food with less than half the effort. Here at Stress-Free Garden Living, we believe that a garden should bring peace to your life, not add another stressful project to your to-do list. We have spent years analyzing why so many well-intentioned gardens turn into stressful nightmares, especially for beginners or those of us who simply do not want to spend our weekends tilling soil and bending over for hours at a time. The truth is, the gardening industry loves to make things sound incredibly complicated, so you buy more specialty products. But smart gardening isn't about working harder, it's about setting up a simple, clever system that allows nature to do the work for you. You do not need a degree in botany or a $1,000 budget to grow a paradise. You just need a setup that respects your time and your energy. Before we dive into the physical blueprint, I need to give you a quick warning. Later in this video, we are going to cover a remarkably simple 10-minute routine that completely eliminates the need for daily watering and hours of weeding. Most people completely overlook this one element, and as a result, they spend their entire summer chained to a garden hose while their weeds grow faster than their crops. When you see how easily this one habit turns your garden into a self-sustaining ecosystem, you will never look at a watering can the same way again. Make sure you don't miss that specific section, because it is the ultimate secret to true, lazy gardening success. Let's start right at the root of the problem, the overcomplication trap. Have you ever opened a gardening book or watched a tutorial only to find yourself buried under an avalanche of complex soil mixing ratios, expensive automated chemical injectors, and rigid, military-style row cropping rules? This is precisely where most beginners quit. You are bombarded with the myth that a successful garden requires endless hours of micromanagement and massive upfront costs. You are told you need to test your soil pH every week, buy 3 different types of specialized plant food, and spend your afternoons measuring exact distances between your rows. This approach creates an environment of constant anxiety, making you feel like one single mistake will ruin your entire harvest. The benefit of breaking free from this trap is instant mental relief. When you realize that nature has been growing plants successfully for millions of years without a single human measuring a nitrogen ratio, the weight lifts off your shoulders. This simplified mindset works because plants are incredibly resilient, they naturally want to grow, and they only need a few basic elements to thrive. Imagine walking out to your yard feeling pure excitement rather than a sense of dread, knowing that your plants are doing perfectly fine without your constant intervention. To take action on this lesson today, you need to make a firm commitment to ignore the overly technical advice. Purge the idea that gardening must be difficult to be rewarding, and prepare your mind to accept a much simpler, more enjoyable way of growing. Now let's look at your actual physical foundation, which is the power of modular raised beds and smart containers. If you are still trying to grow your vegetables directly in the ground by digging up your backyard, you are fighting a brutal uphill battle. Traditional in-ground gardening forces you to deal with whatever mystery soil happens to be under your grass, which is usually either rock-hard clay or completely nutrient-depleted dirt. It requires hours of back-breaking tilling, digging, and constant bending over to ground level, which quickly takes a toll on your back and knees. Furthermore, when you dig into the ground, you stir up millions of dormant weed seeds, guaranteeing that you will spend your entire summer on your hands and knees pulling them out. The benefit of switching to a modular raised bed or container layout is complete and absolute control. This setup provides a clean slate where you dictate the environment from day one. It works beautifully because it physically elevates your workspace, saving your joints and making your garden easily accessible. Because the bed is separated from the native ground, it acts as a physical barrier that drastically reduces weed invasion and completely eliminates the need for heavy digging or tilling. Picture a neat, beautiful, waist-high garden border filling your yard, bursting with lush greens that you can tend to comfortably while standing up or sitting on a stool. Your immediate action step is to step away from the shovel and choose a simple, pre-made raised bed kit or a collection of large fabric containers for your garden space. Once your physical structure is ready, you need to fill it, and this brings us to the no-fail soil formula. The traditional approach here is to turn your backyard into a mad science laboratory, mixing precise percentages of peat moss, vermiculite, perlite, lime, and various synthetic powders. It is expensive, confusing, and highly prone to errors that can burn your plant's delicate roots. Instead of getting lost in complex chemistry, you can use a dead simple recipe that anyone can copy without thinking twice. You simply use a straightforward 50-50 blend of high-quality organic compost and standard topsoil. The benefit of this 50-50 formula is that it gives you a perfectly balanced, spongy material right from the start. It works because the topsoil provides a stable, mineral-rich structure for root anchoring, while the organic compost delivers a massive, slow-release feast of natural nutrients and beneficial microbes. This combination ensures perfect drainage, meaning water flows through smoothly instead of pooling and rotting your roots, while simultaneously retaining just the right amount of moisture. Imagine planting your seeds into a rich, dark earth that feels like crumbled chocolate cake, knowing it contains every single thing your plants need to grow big and strong for the entire season. Your action step is to head to your local garden center or call a local supplier and order equal parts quality topsoil and well-rotted organic compost, mix them together directly inside your beds, and call it a day. If you are loving how simple this sounds so far, hit that like button right now because we are about to enter the most rewarding phase of the setup. We have established your stress-free foundation and your perfect soil, but now we need to talk about how to keep this garden thriving on autopilot. Many people manage to build a decent garden, but they ruin their experience by becoming a slave to daily maintenance. In just a moment, I am going to reveal the exact two-part maintenance routine that cuts your weekly garden chores down to practically nothing. If you want a garden that thrives while you are away on vacation, or while you are simply relaxing on your porch with a cold drink, pay very close attention to this next section. Before we look at that automated routine, we must address a common mistake that ruins thousands of gardens every single year, leaving your soil completely bare. When you leave your beautiful new soil mix exposed to the open air and direct sunlight, you are committing a major gardening crime. The hot sun will instantly bake the top layer of your soil, turning it into a hard, impermeable crust that locks out water and suffocates beneficial soil life. Uncovered soil also allows water to evaporate at an alarming rate, forcing you to water twice as often, and it leaves an open invitation for airborne weed seeds to land, germinate, and take over your bed within days. The benefit of avoiding this mistake is an immediate drop in your workload. To fix this, you must implement the high-leverage habit of heavy mulching. Mulching means covering every square inch of bare soil with a thick layer of natural material like clean straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips. This works because the mulch acts as an insulating blanket, keeping the soil cool, reducing water evaporation by up to 70%, and completely smothering weed seeds before they ever see the light of day. Imagine looking at your garden beds and seeing a tidy, uniform layer of golden straw shielding your soil, keeping it damp and cool even during the hottest days of summer. Your action step is simple. Right after planting, lay down a solid 3-inch layer of organic mulch around all your plants, leaving just a tiny bit of breathing room around the central stems. Now, let's pair that protective mulch with our second high-leverage habit, a simple 10-minute automated watering system. Walking around your yard with a garden hose every single evening might seem peaceful at first, but it quickly becomes an exhausting, restrictive chore. If you water by hand, You also tend to spray the leaves of your plants, which creates a wet, humid environment that invites fungal diseases and pests. Furthermore, hand watering often only wets the very top layer of soil, tricking your plants into growing shallow, weak root systems that wilt the moment a hot afternoon arrives. The benefit of an automated system is absolute freedom and healthier plants. You do not need an expensive, professionally installed irrigation network. Instead, you can buy a simple, battery-operated water timer from any hardware store, attach it directly to your outdoor spigot, and run an inexpensive soaker hose or drip line across the surface of your garden bed, right underneath your mulch layer. This works because the timer turns the water on at the exact same time every few days, delivering moisture slowly and directly to the soil where the roots actually need it, without wasting a single drop to evaporation. Imagine waking up in the morning, knowing your garden has already been perfectly watered while you were sleeping, allowing you to enjoy your coffee without a single chore hanging over your head. Your action step is to purchase a basic faucet timer, set it to run for 15 minutes every other morning, and lay a simple soaker hose across your bed. Now we have arrived at our final, most powerful tip for a truly stress-free setup, and it involves changing the way you choose your plants through a concept called natural companion pairs. Most people make the mistake of planting an entire bed of just one single crop, like an entire box of nothing but cabbage or nothing but tomatoes. This creates a massive target for pests, meaning if one bug arrives that loves cabbage, it will quickly destroy your entire garden. To combat this, traditional gardening tells you to buy a shelf full of chemical sprays and spend your evenings hunting for bugs. The benefit of using natural companion pairs is that your plants actually protect and support each other automatically. This works because certain plants possess natural fragrances and root systems that repel pests and improve the flavor of their neighbors. For example, when you plant aromatic basil and bright marigolds directly alongside your tomato plants, the intense scent of the herbs confuses and drives away the destructive pests that track down tomatoes by smell. Imagine a gorgeous, diverse garden bed where flowers, herbs, and vegetables grow hand in hand, creating a natural shield that keeps your food completely safe without you ever applying a single drop of pesticide. Your action step for ultimate simplicity is to never plant a single crop in isolation, always intermingle your vegetables with easy, pungent herbs and flowers to let nature handle the pest control for you. Building a beautiful, high-yielding garden does not require you to sacrifice your free time, your budget, or your physical well-being. By stepping away from the overcomplication trap, choosing a comfortable raised bed setup, filling it with a simple 50-50 soil blend, and protecting it with mulch and basic automation, you are completely transforming your relationship with nature. You are moving away from a lifestyle of constant chore checking and moving into a lifestyle of effortless abundance. You will spend far less time working in your garden, and far more time standing back, looking at your success, and harvesting delicious, fresh food right outside your door. Gardening should be a source of life and relaxation, and with this copyable system, that is exactly what it becomes. If you want to continue learning how to grow maximum food with minimum effort, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and join our community here at Stress-Free Garden Living. Our entire mission is helping you achieve incredible backyard results without any of the traditional stress, so subscribing ensures you never miss a single practical, time-saving guide. I would love to hear from you down in the comments section below. Which of these simple strategies are you going to try out in your yard first? Are you going to set up a raised bed, or are you ready to try out an automated watering timer? Let me know, and I will see you in the very next video.